Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 6th, 2022. Today I'm going to do a video for Nervos. I'm going to do a price prediction into the market for this particular cryptocurrency. You guys can see on my price chart that there's not that much price action really going on this Binance exchange, selling and trading this cryptocurrency. It started back in January of 2021. So I wanted to come in, give everyone a heads up as to what I'm seeing in terms of price movement without the confusion. So if today's your first time ever see my videos, my content, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel because I only focus in on the price. I don't care about nothing else outside of what everyone else is doing with their own money. All right, so make sure you keep it locked in here to ensure you stay updated as to what I'm seeing in terms of price movement and price action. So can this coin 10x? Can we see this particular cryptocurrency go up 10 times to where the current price is right now? It's possible. Anything is possible within the realm of reality. But let's bring this back down to earth, right? Let's try to zoom in a little bit closer to where price is right now. You guys can see it's trading around a penny, a half a penny and a half. Can we see the price go up to a nickel? I mean, what do y'all think about that? Let's try to figure this out. Now, first thing I do when I come in and do price predictions is I try to figure out what is the trend, what is the overall market momentum that this market is trying to go. You guys can see that generally, just looking at this, eyeing it, it doesn't look as if there's a massive upward trend going on. It doesn't look like it's a massive downward trend going on either. It's just pretty much bouncing between a penny and 4 cents. That's about it right now. But take a look at this. Maybe you haven't seen this, right? You guys see how this market in Nervos is in a upward trend though. This market is still trending higher. Majority of the market participants does not want this price to break below this ascending line. This is going to be our first point of us knowing what this market is trying to do in Nervos. As long as the price stays above that ascending line, guess what? Yeah, we can anticipate the price is going to continue to shoot up higher in price. So that's what we're going to do there first. Now I wanted to show you the weekly time frame real quick here in the market in Nervos. You guys can see that we've been seeing some selling. I mean, this particular type of cryptocurrency, CKB, has not been an outlier. Majority of the cryptocurrency altcoins in the space has been doing the same thing. It's been going down, and Nervos has been doing the same thing too. Now, take a look at this current weekly price bar though. The last 2 weeks outside of this current one, you guys can see that we did see some selling, but this market is getting some light volume and the spread is a lot smaller. So maybe the sellers are getting out the way so we can actually see this price start to go up. Yes, that's what we're seeing here on the weekly time frame. What about on the 2 weeks? We got 7 days and 8 hours left on this current 2 weekly price bar. The last one, we saw a decent amount of volume come in last 2 weeks, and the market actually closed off of the lows. This is indicative of the buyers attributing and coming to the market to buy up this cryptocurrency. Now, let's look at Nervos on a 3-day. Okay, this is Nervos right here on the 3-day time frame, and the last completed 3-day price bar, it looks fantastic, right? We saw a whole lot of weakness, a whole lot of stockpile coming into the market the last 3-day price bars, and the market still found the ability to close higher on this last completed one right there. So I mean, what do y'all think? Do you think the market in Nervos is massively strong, or do you think it's just slightly strong? Because from my perspective, it just looks slightly strong. It's not massively bullish right now, no, but it's bullish. Look at this on the 2-day. Yeah, this last completed 2-day price bar, you guys can see it right there. So already we need to try to see how high can this price go. Can the market just go up to 0.018? Can we see it go to 2 cents? We need to start preparing ourselves to figure out where are the sellers, because the sellers are here. Yeah, they're just sitting back waiting for the price to go to their particular price level, and then they're going to sell their positions. Do you think it's around 0.018, or do you think it's around 2 pennies? Where do you see it? Because that's the first level. 0.018 is going to be the first level for us to see the selling come into the market in Nervos. Okay, now currently I'm still seeing some on the 3-hour chart. There's some selling going on right now. Yeah, so we may actually in the beginning phase of this price prediction see the price go down. Already can see that. Okay, now that will have to lead us into thinking, okay, if the market is getting weak right now, there's selling going on right now, How low can this price go for us to still maintain that this particular cryptocurrency is still going to go up? Well, I think we got two firm areas right there around a penny and a half back down to 0.014. Yeah. So those are going to be the levels that we need to see price maintain in order for this currency to go up in price. Okay. So let me go ahead and do this real quick, because like I said, I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to spend 45 minutes on a video talking out of both sides of my mouth saying the price could go up and it can also go down. I want to show you what I'm noticing on the chart without the confusion. Okay. So as long as the price in Nervos stays above 0.014, we're going to expect the price to go up. Now I told you that the first level for us to see some selling is going to be up here around 0.018. That's around 13, almost 14% upward movement though. That's pretty good profitability right there. Now, the second area is going to be around 2 cents. Okay, now that doesn't look as likely as us seeing it hit 0.018. Okay. So I'm going to bring it down to, I'm going to do 2 cents, but I'm not necessarily looking for the price in Nervos to hit 2 cents yet. Definitely need to see the buyers take out 0.018 first. Okay, so that's my first really true price target, is to see the market go to 0.018. That's around 13%. If the market is able to take that out, then 2 cents is going to be my next level. Okay, so let me put this back over to the daily time frame and show you all what it look like on the daily chart, because I want to follow this market on the daily perspective so we all can see on the day-to-day basis what's going on. This is it right here. So it is your turn. Guess what? I leave my comment section open so you guys can drop your price prediction. Give me your price target as to what you're looking at for Nervos during the month of February. Where do you see this price headed? Where do you think we're going to go as we trade through the month of February? It doesn't have to be complex. It doesn't have to be confusing nor complicated. All you have to do is simply look at the chart. The market is already speaking to us every day that it trades. You just got to understand how to interpret it as to what it's trying to read. What is it trying to say? And I've shown you what my thoughts are right now into the market in Nervos. And I want you all to tell me real quick. Leave me a comment, join the community, and tell everyone, what do you see? That's it. I'm done. So now it's your turn. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.